Guys, welcome back to my channel. My last two videos were about the latest leaks of the iPhone 16 and the Samsung S25 Ultra, and your response to those was amazing. So, I thought, why not create a comparison video based on those leaks? In this video, I am going to compare the S25 Ultra with the iPhone 16 Pro Max based on latest leaks. So, without wasting any more time, let's kick off. Okay, so now starting with their display size, iPhone 16 Pro Max features a 6.9-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with a resolution of 3088 into 1440 pixels, with a refresh rate of 1 to 120 Hz. While on the other hand, at the same time, Samsung S25 Ultra features a 6.8-inch dynamic AMOLED display with a resolution of 3100 into 1440 with a 120 Hz refresh rate. One more thing I forgot to tell is that both phones are certified with IP68 dust and water resistance. Here's something about both phones' display size that I think is important to tell you people. We have same display size of both phones, but a twist comes while using both phones. If you're a Samsung user, you must notice that the Samsung S24 Ultra size looks bigger, right? Many users complain about this thing, which makes them uncomfortable to use it. But on the other hand, with the same display size, Apple users not even notice any uncomfortness. One of the reasons behind it is the sharp edges of Samsung. And this is the reason why Samsung is working on 4 prototypes of its new S25 series. I thought it was important, so I share with you guys. In my last video, I have explained the latest rumors of S25 series. If you're interested, link is in the description. So, here is also some upgrades in the processing section as well. This time, we are going to see latest Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chip in the S25 Ultra, with 12 RAM and 256 to 1 terabyte of non-expendable UFS 4.0 internal storage. While iPhone is going to come with latest A18 Pro chipset with 256 to 1 terabyte of non-expendable internal storage. The iPhone 16 Pro Max features a triple rear camera system, including a 48MP primary sensor, a 12MP telephoto lens, and a 48MP ultra-wide-angle lens. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is equipped with a quad camera system, including a 200MP primary sensor, a 50MP telephoto lens, a 10MP ultra-wide-angle lens, and an additional 12MP ultra-wide-angle lens. The S25 Ultra offers 5x optical zoom and 8K video recording capability. The iPhone 16 Pro Max supports fast charging and MagSafe wireless charging. The Galaxy S25 Ultra offers 45W fast charging and key wireless charging. Both phones are 5G compatible and feature security options such as 3D facial recognition and an ultrasonic fingerprint sensor. iPhone weighs about 225 grams and Samsung weighs about 232 grams. iPhone is built in front and back glass with aluminum frame, while Samsung is having a Gorilla Glass Armor whole. Also, the starting price of is expected to be around $1,200. So guys, today's comparison ends here. And if we talk about the winner, you'll have to wait a few months because I can't say anything without using both of these phones yet. I have already made a video on the comparison of S24 Ultra and iPhone 15 Pro Max, although I admit the video quality was very low. And I understand that the content wasn't anything special either. But the details were 100% pure. This was because I couldn't manage my time well, so I uploaded the video just to maintain consistency. However, in my next comparison video, I will give you the maximum experience. I will be back very soon. Till that, take care and stay happy.